Direct News TV. November 6, 2023. Jury frees two accused charged with murder of St. Thomas taxi driver, Jamaica. A 7-member jury returned a unanimous verdict today acquitting 32-year-old Nikia Thompson and 24-year-old Tashim Pert of the murder of David Spree Booth, a taxi operator of Morant Bay, St. Thomas. Booth was fatally shot in his motor car while transporting passengers in July 2013. The Crown led evidence in the St. Thomas Circuit Court that Pert, Thompson and another woman were traveling in Booth's taxi. When they reached a certain spot in Prospect, St. Thomas, Pert allegedly shot Booth in the back of the head. Misty Thompson, who was charged with the other two accused, was freed at the preliminary inquiry after defense lawyer Hensley Williams argued that there was no evidence to substantiate the charge against her. The Crown had relied on caution statements given by the two accused after they were arrested to prove its case against them at the 3-week trial which began last month and was presided over by Justice Courtney Day. Pert had said in the statement that the two women had pointed the gun at Booth's head but it only went click, click, and did not fire. Pert, who was 17 years old at the time of the incident, said he picked up the gun, put his hand on the trigger and it went off. A police witness noted under cross-examination that after Pert gave the caution statement he was taken to hospital. Pert, in an unsworn statement from the dock, told the jury that he was beaten by the police and forced to give the statement. He said he was taken to hospital for the injuries he suffered during the beating. Nikia Thompson said in her unsworn statement that it was after the police showed her Pert's caution statement that they forced her to give a statement and told her what to say. Attorneys-at-law Horace Gray and Ricardo Gray, who represented Pert, and attorney-at-law Hensley Williams, who represented Nikia Thompson, challenged the caution statements. They pointed out in their submissions that the case was poorly investigated by the police, Pert was severely beaten by the police, no gun was recovered, no spent shells were found and there was no fingerprints taken from the motorcar. Following Justice Day's summation, the jury retired for 3 hours and returned a unanimous verdict of not guilty. Nikia Thompson has so far been acquitted of 3 murder charges within the last 2 years. She was charged with her boyfriend Fabian Skirvin for the 2018 murder of Jamaican-Canadian couple, Melbourne and Etta Flakes, in Retreat, St. Thomas, but she was freed in December 2021 after attorney-at-law Hensley submitted that there was no evidence to link her to the double murder. The Crown then offered no evidence against her. Skirvin pleaded guilty to the crimes and was sentenced to life imprisonment and ordered to serve 32 years before he can be eligible for parole. My name is Kingsley. Please like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to be notified whenever we post. You won't regret it.